तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी बदलने वाली है।
तलाशते हैं हम चंद लम्हों में कुछ हसीन लम्हों को, कोशिश करते आगे बढ़ते मुट्ठी में कर लेते हैं हम दुनिया को। In the sea of opportunities, our cotton business was a small fish once. Today, its significant growth has marked us as a lead player. We now have the world at our feet.
Winning in the marketplace has become a habit. Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Congratulations team, welcome to the Sales Conference 2011. Over the years, this team has brought the branded cotton business to a platform where we are a major force in the industry and within Monsanto a major contributor. Overall, it was a great year. We crossed 3 million packet. We had a growth of 18% and the market share gain of about 0.5%. Good demand for Brahma across the geography. Among the regions that did very well was North, Gujarat, Karnataka and MP. Maharashtra at a higher volume base also did very well. We nearly doubled the volume. Sudarshan has done very well and is emerging as a strong product in our portfolio. Against a GP target of $6.6 million, the business has delivered $13.1 million, nearly doubling the plan. Against a EBIT target of $3.5 million, we have delivered $10 million. This is 2.5 times of our budget. This is the best ever performance that the business has delivered. Sales return was lowest, under 3%. Brahma sales return was 0. Post-season inventory was lowest ever. Some of the new initiatives that helped us do this performance this year was DPCC platform. It significantly improved our customer connect, helped us give crop advisory to the farmers. Kapas Jagruti Utsav was another initiative. Brahmotsav, where we did large scale campaign on Brahma rejuvenations. Kalgi Tura in MP was a local folk songs mixed with the product USP, and the dealer branding was done across geography. Like any business, there were some misses. We could have done something better. In these slides, we talk about like QA front, we could have done better. Avoided the germ complaint that we received from across the geography. Sales team did manage very well and continue to do farmers hand holding. On supply front, things could have been little better. We could have done better in Atal, and this slide talks about extraordinary performance in some of the regions. While most of the regions have done very well, but there are certain territory where they have done exceptionally well. This slide talks about 5-year GP growth story of branded cotton business. You can see it, this business has turned around in the last few years from a negative contributor to a positive contributor. I am sure we can repeat the similar performance in 2011 also. Thank you.
पारस ब्रह्मा बोलगाड ही व्हरायटी चांगली आणि उत्तम दर्जाची असून हिचं उत्पन्न जास्त होतं. कंपनीचे साहेब लोक वेळोवेळी येऊन मार्गदर्शन करतात. लावण्यापासून ते शेवटपर्यंत हे सर लोक आम्हाला मदत करतात.
यावर्षी 2 पॅकेट सुदर्शनचं घेतले आहे. मी माझ्या घराचं सुद्धा काम केलेलं आहे. आज माझी फॅमिली, आज माझं सगळं कुटुंब सुखी आणि समाधानी आहे.
Monsanto is very professional and transparent in its communication regarding to allocation and discount schemes. Monsanto generates very good demand in the market. Company people will provide good support whenever we receive any complaints. We are very proud to be associated with Monsanto.